Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a video in Roblox Studio. First there's some things you need to know. First you have to keep the right size of it, and then upload a video. But wait, you have to put this video here, and now you have to do some things like playing looped. Okay. Huh? Look, it's no starting. You can even make a movie theater with videos. But look, there's another way to make your own video. Wait. Oh, the Roblox Studio, the creator hub, taken too long, so I didn't show you. I'll show when I'm in Dhaka because I'm in the village now. Bye bye guys. See you later. Well, my father, mother, and my little sister and others, my auntie, my mama, are just interrupting. Sorry. Don't worry. I'll send this. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you later. And don't argue too much because sometimes it might take months or years to make me a video. Bye bye.